Everywhere you go, everybody just talking about Peller this, Peller that. Peller disappointed us upon how big he is in Africa. He was pursuing after iShowSpeed. You understand? You know, the thing that we forget to understand is that there must be someone that we are learning from. There must be someone we are looking up to as a role model. Take a look at this. Perhaps you will understand better. Did Peller do up to this? Did Peller even show excitement up to what this guy is doing right now? The answer is no. Okay, I'm sorry. There must be someone that we're craving to meet. I could remember before I became a journalist, I had actually longed meeting somebody like Banky W. Each time I am interviewing these personalities now, one thing used to come to my mind. I was like, wow, you mean it is me that is interviewing these people now, commanding them to do this, to do that. So I started thinking about those days I was craving to meeting them. You understand? So it was actually a dream come true that I meet these people and I could be the one to tell them, sit down, flooding questions upon questions, and they will be answering my questions. Almost all of us have craved to meeting someone. So Peller never did something out of the picture. If I look at Peller, I look at someone who has hunger for greatness. Peller is already a big name in Nigeria. Even in Africa, I know a lot of people Peller had actually showcased on his streaming. And this iShowSpeed is a worldwide known. And so Peller was actually ready to do anything just to meet with him. After all, he was in Nigeria. If Nigeria is actually a place they respect stars, Peller shouldn't even struggle at all. They would even be the one to let him know, okay, Peller is there. Peller would just like the man, will even, because he visited VDM in his office. So what stops him from visiting Peller? Because Peller is a big name. But because the guy also, I heard when he gave some comments that he's touring around Africa to showcase Africa to the world, to change some wrong narratives that had already been projected against Africa, that he did not come to make celebrities have better platform, but he came to let Africa have better image, and also to bring out some people that are very talented, but they don't have any platform to showcase themselves. And that was what actually brought him to Nigeria. He has toured around Africa. He's not only Nigeria. Whatever they say to Peller, to me, Peller hasn't done anything. I only see a guy that is hungry for greatness. He saw someone that is in the same profession as him and he craved meeting with him. It's quite a pity that they didn't let him meet, but he didn't remove anything from Peller. Then talking about Egungun of Africa, everybody's also talking about Egungun. Egungun claimed that he's the #1 interviewer in Africa, but he messed up. Let me tell you, I am a journalist, and sometimes you will be told to go and interview some certain personalities. Not that Egungun did not know what to ask, not that Egungun is not intelligent. I've actually listened to most interviews that Egungun conducted, and he had the flair. He flowed fluently. But the thing is that this was more of impromptu. Perhaps Egungun did not even Google about him to know his age, to know his name, to know where he was coming from. And that was why he sounded like he messed up. But to me, I never believed he messed up, because I know how it is to interview celebrities. The first day I was sent to go and interview Wole Soyinka, when I got there, and the funniest thing is that as a journalist, people look at you as a top notch. A lot of people look at you as the owner of English. Immediately they see you and hear that you're a journalist, they will start being conscious so that they won't make mistake. When I was told to go and interview Wole Soyinka, this is Wole Soyinka as a child I had read about. You understand? So it was someone that even being near him, I should faint, because if you allow fright to overwhelm you, the first thing is, what English will you speak with Wole Soyinka, the owner of English? To me, nobody is a self-made in this world. We are all products of one another. So instead of you to be among those that will always castigate, talk down on someone, no, be the other way around, because no one knows it all. So he didn't Google about iShowSpeed. When he asked that iShowSpeed, how old are you? iShowSpeed said 21. You know, that time Google said, oh my God, 21, and you're still looking as young and fresh. He wasn't the one talking, and that did not mean that Google is not intelligent. He was overwhelmed with fright just at the sight of iShowSpeed. It can happen to anybody. especially if you're not prepared and decided to go and embark on interview. If you don't prepare yourself to conducting that interview and you embark on it, there is no way you will not mess yourself up. Just imagine when Egungun said, I heard you have 500,000 subscribers. iShowSpeed said, no, 50 million. He said, oh, 50 million? Which means he didn't even know the guy had hit 50 million. If only he had actually surveyed about that guy before conducting the interview, Egungun would have flown very well. Egungun is quite intelligent. I've been listening to his interviews. So no castigate anyone. You better start though.